Hey guys, Big Ben Motor Vlogs here, and today you can see I'm a little bit exhaustless. Normally I have a Scorpion Serket taper in this place, but one thing I do like doing on eBay is just searching for Yamaha MT-125 and then refining the search then to newly listed. And what I found is this tiny little thing. This is a Pro Race exhaust system from Pro Race Exhaust Systems on eBay. This one is the stainless steel black. You can have them in other ones as well. So you can have it in polished stainless steel. You can have it in satin stainless steel and then black stainless steel, which is this one. It's very nice exhaust. It's very, very small as well. So the weight of this is 0.5 kilograms, sorry. So half a kilogram, which is crazy. But this pretty much is a GP exhaust, so it's very, very loud. So this comes as like this, but this one is made especially for the Scorpion downpipe, because this is not the original. It does recommend the original one, so obviously you can have it a little bit quicker, but this one is being made especially for this pipe. So it's a very, very cool pipe. I did get the optional extra, which was a baffle, so removable baffle, but it doesn't, to be honest, make any difference whatsoever to how loud it is. I have tested it already and it is super loud. So it may not be my everyday exhaust. It may be just one of those things, but yeah, I wanted to test how this cheap exhaust would be like, as it is only $54.99, so it's very, very cheap. Plus then obviously the removable baffle, which is $19.99, so yeah, still super cheap. Yeah, so pretty much it's pretty much an 80 quid exhaust and a 79 quid exhaust. Free postage, and he was here within a week, so it's pretty cool. So I'm pretty much the tools that you need for this. It's not much. You need one of these, and this one is a 10mm. It's a 10mm wrench, and that's it. Don't need much. And if you want to take off the baffle, you just need a small little Allen key that fits in. So I'll pop it on very quickly. So pretty much nice and easy, just slots on place, and normally like have it that front facing. Move that back up a little bit, just make sure the camera's still recording. Move that up just a touch. Lovely. Let's get my socket, move it into place. Get the hand tighten it first. Oops. Sure it's tight but not too tight. Amazing, so it doesn't move. Perfect, and that is on. So probably the quickest install that you've ever seen. So like I said, if you want to remove the baffle, you just need to put that in, pull around, that comes off, just hold on to it because it may slip back in, and that is the baffle removed. So it's not much of a baffle, to be honest. It doesn't really even fit in. It doesn't really even cover the whole thing, so probably everything will pass it anyway. But yeah, quite a small little thing. So if I just pick the camera up, show you the inside. Yeah, so it's straight through. But it's a very, very nice exhaust. So for only super cheap. But yeah, nice exhaust. So I'll pop this back in. It's a little bit fiddly because you have to line up whatever that is into there. Tighten it back in. So that just fits back in quite nicely. So I'll show you the inside of that. that there. So, do you want to see how loud it is? Yes, please. Alright, okay, let's go. Alright, not to disappoint you guys, I am now down. Well, my normal place was very busy, so I've come down in some little place that's abandoned, just to show you what the exhaust is like. I am just going to very quickly do a Scorpion Baffle In, Scorpion Baffle Out, and I'll do the Pro Race exhaust system. So this is going to be Scorpion Serket Taper Baffle In. Next will be Baffle Out. So that was Scorpion Baffle In and Baffle Out. I'm now going to swap it over for the Pro Race exhaust system. Just give me 2 seconds. Pro Race exhaust system Baffle In. Yep, that is super loud. So this is the Pro Race exhaust system Baffle Out. So yes, very loud. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you again very soon. All links below. Thank you very much. Bye bye.